Ladies and gentlemen, today we have OKNA 800 series and OKNA Starmark or Evo 7500 series windows, so we can look at them side by side. And this window is made of vinyl and that one is made of composite, so it's not going to be kind of like apple to apple comparison, but I would say it's going to be more like apple to oranges because they are made of different materials. But anyway, let's go and take a look at the interior of these both windows. Okay, my friends, I am in the interior of the windows, and on the left, this window here, it's OKNA 800 series or OKNA EnviroStar. So let's take a look at the interior of OKNA 800 series. So right here we have this beautiful handle, looks pretty much nice and unique. We have this nice lock, and in this case it's an antique brass, and white is the standard. Always remember that white is always the standard, no extra investment. But side locks right here, two side locks, and at the bottom we have another pretty much unique handle, lift trail. So it's all of them, they are fusion welded into the frame of the window, so they are not gonna fall off or anything like that. Pretty much nice and well made. So here you go, they go from the bottom to the top, OKNA 800 series. I'm gonna close the top sash, here we go, and let's look at the locks. All right, so let's jump to OKNA Starmark or Evo 7500 series, as some people lovingly call it. So right off the bat, we see that this window, let me unlock it. So at the top, we see this beautiful handle, different handle design than OKNA 800 series. And once we look right here, so the lock is a different one as well. It's more beefier, bigger, and wider than OKNA 800 series. The side locks pretty much look the same to me, heavy duty side locks. And once you have the window wide, you're gonna get obviously two locks. But anyway, here we have dark bronze lock, and it's available in antique brass, brushed nickel. Again, white is the standard. And look at this beautiful laminate. I believe this is Melrose cherry, I believe so. And it's OKNA 800 series available in this laminates as well. But anyway, let's take a peek at the bottom right here. And we have another pretty much nice and unique handle. So it's a different design when we look at OKNA 800 series and Starmark. But anyway, let me push this one here closer so we can have a better look, better view at it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, they are now side by side, these two beautiful windows. OKNA 800 right here, OKNA Starmark right here. I'm gonna close that sash. So anyway, what's the major difference? Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, so this window, OKNA Starmark, is made of composite. So what's the biggest difference? It's a design difference. So when you look at this composite window, you can tell that it's kind of reminiscent of the wood window. See this pretty much nice clean joints right here. And with vinyl, there is a little bit left over when the vinyl and the high temperature of the sash is put together. You have this a little bit left over, which is not bad. It's cleaned up. It's a good job. OKNA is doing a good job. But still, right here, it's innocently clean. And all of the sashes, they do look like that. So they give you this wood-like experience without the heavy maintenance, because this is composite material, so it doesn't rot. Water is not going to damage it or anything like that. Okay, there you go. They are side by side, both windows. You can take a peek at this both windows. So definitely OKNA Starmark window right here, it does look more premium. It has much more refined design and look because of that composite material. But you're buying your windows not only because of the nice looks, you know that it looks good and all that. You want to make sure that it's functional and easy to maintain. It's a pleasure to use. So let's check out this. So another difference, actually it's a plus for OKNA 800 series. So the top sash interlocks with 800 series, so you have to apply a little bit of pressure to push it down. With Starmark, it doesn't interlock. So basically when you move that sash, the top one slides down, so you have to fix it and then you can lock it. So this nice feature, you don't have to overstretch yourself, is available only on 800 series and 600 series if you watch my other video. So that's the functional difference that is better with OKNA 800 series. Okay, so because this is two windows made from different materials, right? So let's see if it's easy to maintain them, because with OKNA 800 series, basically, piece of cake, you can pull out the sash like this and you can clean your windows from the comfort of your house. Pretty much nice and easy, both sashes, no problem. Let's see with Starmark if that's so easy as well. Right here, so I'll pull it out. Yeah, both of them, it's a joy to maintain. So it's not a problem like with some other manufacturers, when they have this wood windows or premium windows, it's a pain in the neck to do any cleaning or maintenance. So these windows, good job. They are easy to maintain. All right, so we got a few differences here with these windows, like the handles, the locks, and what else? Yeah, and the way the sash is made, so pretty much nice and clean look, better than 800 series. So we got like 3 differences here. And color-wise, all these laminates are available with OKNA 800 series, as well as a custom hardware, other than white. If you don't like white, all that custom available on both windows. Okay, my friends, let's switch to the exterior of these windows. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the exterior of these windows. So that's how they're gonna look on the exterior. So we can check out OKNA 800 series, pure vinyl. Beautiful, beautiful design as well. And once we switch to OKNA Starmark Evo 7500, it's totally different design, because like OKNA 600, 800, if you check out my other videos, they pretty much look like twins. In here, definitely it's totally different, completely different design. The OKNA Starmark has this kind of square design. So from the top to the bottom, let's check it out. And comes with a half screen. Full screen is available on both windows. Standard is always a half screen. All right, so now let's check out the functionalities, the water management and all that stuff. As usual, at the bottom of this windows is pretty much important to know if we have any whip holes. So OKNA Starmark composite window. Let me raise the sash. So here we go. So it's a sloped seal. There is no whip holes. So it's nice, all the water flows away from the house, away from the window, never gets inside the frame. You have no issues, you don't have to clean anything. It's nice and easy. And like same with OKNA 800 series or 600, 500, we have this cutout right here, sloped seal. The water management is beautiful on both windows, I may say. And we have that lip as well, and the receiver in the bottom sash, like OKNA 800 series has it. But the thing is, again, it's interesting that OKNA 800 series have this magnet right here. Let's see, let me get my pin. Here you go, I got my pin. So basically it magnetizes, see, because magnet right here and the magnet inside the frame. So when you shut the sash down, it magnetizes, which is pretty much nice, premium feature. I don't know why, but on OKNA Starmark, when you shut the sash down, this air bulb right here doesn't have any magnet, So it does have pretty much nice weather stripping, beefy weather stripping right there. And we have weather stripping right here. And we have weather stripping in the sash as well. Let me tilt it in so we can have a better look. Okay, so once it's tilted in, we have this nice groove, and that little lip goes inside the groove, that weather stripping. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna be pretty much nicely well protected. Okay, so when we look at the screen, actually OKNA Starmark window, it does have a different design screen, and it's actually available another option for this window of the screen. And when we look at OKNA 800 series, or maybe again, let me just push them together, you know, so it's easier for us. Let's see if I can push it with my one hand right here. Here you go. Side by side, so that's the best way to see how does it look like. I don't know, I mean, both screens look to me good, but post in the comments below what do you think about the exterior of the window of OKNA Starmark window. So I got here two corner cuts, so that's basically right here like a corner cut of the window made by the factory. So we can see, because you may be asking composite, like he said composite. What's composite? Who knows what the composite is, right? And the composite does look like that when that corner cut, you know, it was cut like this. So we have it as if you cut a piece of soap, you know. All this frame here is filled, nice and filled. So it's kind of reminiscent of the wood window. When you cut the wood, that's what you get. Pretty much nice and sturdy construction of the window, pretty much robust construction. While with the vinyl windows, we have these chambers, like cavities, that with our premium packages, all the cavities filled with that foam, right? But there you go, that's the difference of the material, and you can see what composite is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we came to the end of this video, and by the way, this video is sponsored by you, all of you who is watching. I appreciate that. So, and I appreciate you more when you subscribe, when you like, when you share, all that, you know. So if you can do that for me, I appreciate that. But anyway, we came to the end, and now you're asking like, all right, so that looks like a nice window, right? Maybe you like it because of that robustness of the frame and the way it looks on the interior, you know, nice, kind of reminiscent of the wood. Or maybe you prefer to stick with the vinyl. So I can tell you this thing, definitely if you have extra few coins in your pocket, you can go ahead and, you know, live luxury. Why not go with the Starmark window? You know, like when you have like $1 million house or around $1 million, it's going to be better because this way it's reminiscent of the wood windows, of the fiberglass windows, you know, so it's kind of that it gives you that look. But anyway, energy efficiency wise, like air filtration, how much air goes through both windows, they are kind of on the same level, you know. So both windows, as you can see on this corner cut, they have option for premium super deluxe package. Triple pane glass on both packages is available, and then foam fill in that vinyl cavities as well. So I mean, you know, both windows good, but depends on your budget and on your goals. So if you pick either one of them, I think you're gonna like them. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. And by the way, if you need more, if you need windows and you live in New Jersey or Eastern PA, I'm gonna put website at the bottom, so you can go ahead, fill out the form, and we can stop by, show you either one of these windows or any windows you prefer, and we can start the ball rolling for you. All right, see you next time.